Hi, today I want to show you how to treat frozen shoulder at home. So maybe you've been diagnosed with frozen shoulder, you don't know what to do, then I'll show you a couple of exercises to reduce your pain and to increase the movement on your shoulder. Frozen shoulder is a condition that affects the shoulder joint by creating pain and stiffness. The main factor for having frozen shoulder is the inability of moving your arm. So maybe you had a surgery or an injury on the arm, you couldn't move it for a couple of weeks or months, and then the stiffness comes into your shoulder. With frozen shoulder, we've got three stages. We've got the freezing stage, when any movement can create the pain. So you've got movement, but you can't move because it's too painful. The second stage is the frozen stage, when the stiffness comes into the shoulder joint, you can't move because it's too stiff. And then the last stage is the stage when the pain is decreasing and the movement comes back slowly. So with frozen shoulder, you can get better in 24 months, even if you don't have any treatment, but ideally is to start some rehabilitation exercises as soon as possible. But before we move on to the exercises, I suggest to subscribe to my channel to see more content like this, and also don't forget to press the notification bell. The first exercise is called Pendulum exercise. So you need a small bottle of water, and let's say we work on the right shoulder. So my frozen shoulder is on the right side, so you need a chair to have a bit of support. You put one hand here, and from this position you try to hang your hand down as much as you can and relax it as much as you can. And now, with the help of the body, we will try to initiate the movement and relax the arm and move it forward and backwards, slowly moving forward and backwards. And you can do it for a couple of seconds. You can even go side to side like this. Slowly relax the arm, just hanging down, and move it slowly side to side. So this will create a bit of movement on your shoulder joint. Shouldn't be too painful because you don't use the shoulder muscles too much. For the second exercise, you need to use a towel, and you have to put the hand behind your back, and now you will have to grab the towel. So let's say we are working on the left shoulder, so I've got the injury on the left shoulder, the right one is the healthy one. And from here, we will try to pull with the right one to create a bit more space, a bit more movement on the left one, like this. You can do a couple of repetitions with this exercise, so this will create and will increase a bit of internal rotation for your shoulder. The last exercise is assisted movement. So what you have to do, keep the back straight, come close to a wall, look straight, and now with your fingers you will have to walk on the wall as much as you can, and in this way we will create some movement on the shoulder. As much as you feel comfortable, and then slowly you go down, and then you have to do it again. And slowly down. And you can do it again 5-10 times, and this will help you to increase the movement on your shoulder. You can even do it on the side. It's easier if you start for forward flexion and then you move onto the side flexion. So these are a couple of exercises for frozen shoulder. They are very good at the early stage rehabilitation. So if you've been diagnosed recently with frozen shoulder, it is a bit painful, a little bit stiff, then you can start doing this exercise. I'm sure you'll be able to decrease the pain and increase the movement on the shoulder. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you do have any suggestions or any questions, don't forget to leave me a comment. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.